Hi, I am Aleksi Virta, Product Manager for 3D printing products at Planmeca. Today I'm going to talk about our latest 3D printer and highlight some of its greatest features. This is the Planmeca Creo X, a highly reliable and user-friendly 3D printer that delivers next-level precision with every print. The Creo X is built around a decade of experience we have in 3D printing, focusing on the features that truly matter and removing anything unnecessary to create an accurate and reliable workhorse for the dental professionals. For those of you who are not yet familiar with 3D printing or how dental professionals can benefit from it, let me begin with a short introduction. There's a lot of different 3D printing technologies, but we'll focus on resin printing as it is the industry standard in dentistry. These 3D printers use liquid photopolymer resin cured layer by layer with UV light. As each layer of resin is exposed to light, it hardens and bonds to the previous layer. The upward movement of the build platform enables this layer-on-layer construction, resulting in a three-dimensional object with high detail and very smooth surfaces. The high level of detail and accuracy in resin printing makes it ideal for dental applications. You can use 3D printers to create custom dental models, surgical guides, splints, and even restorations like crowns and dentures, and the list goes on. 3D printing allows dental practices and in-house labs to lower their costs, save time, and offer entirely new services. So there is a case to be made for most dental clinics to purchase their own 3D printer. While there are numerous 3D printers on the market, the Planmeca Creo X stands out with its unmatched accuracy and robust performance. If you are already familiar with our previous 3D printer model, you can instantly recognize the same sleek design that Planmeca Creo X shares with its predecessor. We decided not to fix what wasn't broken and continue to utilize the proven mechanical design. However, we have updated the core components to ensure outstanding performance and excellent cost efficiency. Now I will walk you through the highlights of the Planmeca Creo X. Planmeca Creo X is one of the few 3D printers on the market that has been specifically designed for dentistry. The Planmeca Creo X is now built with exceptional quality, ensuring durability and reliability. This is important because dental applications require a 3D printer that can produce highly accurate and detailed objects capable of meeting the high standards for medical-grade materials. With strong after-sales support, easy access to spare parts, and focus on minimizing downtime, it provides a seamless experience for dental clinics, allowing them to maintain efficiency and productivity in their daily operations. We've been working together with some of the leading dental professionals to create the device that not only meets these requirements, but also seamlessly fits into daily workflows at dental clinics and laboratories. We focused on ensuring high-definition printing quality and reliability and choosing printing materials that are approved for medical use whenever needed. For our printer, we have validated materials from multiple established manufacturers, ensuring users have plenty of options to choose from. We also continuously keep our eyes out for new materials which users could benefit from. And no matter which validated material you prefer to use, the printing parameters are automatically set, so you only need to select which design you want to print, add the material, and Planmeca Creo X takes care of the rest. The Planmeca Creo X delivers industry-leading precision. In dental printing, accuracy isn't just important, it's essential. Even the smallest deviation can affect fit, comfort, and clinical outcomes, making precision the foundation of every successful dental application. In our printer, this level of accuracy is achieved with distortion-free LCD printing technology, a completely redesigned next-generation light source, and a robust product design. Built from durable aluminium, this Planmeca Creo X is exceptionally robust and stable. This minimizes vibrations and helps to guarantee accuracy even in the finest details. When you compare our full aluminium structure with the competitor devices, it makes them feel like toys. Planmeca Creo X is part of Planmeca's complete ecosystem of devices and software. This means that 3D printing can be seamlessly added into daily dental workflows. Combined with Planmeca equipment and software, users can design and manufacture a vast range of customized items and appliances. For example, you can capture a digital impression with a Planmeca intraoral scanner, design a crown in Romex's software, and send it to the printer and create a dental model. Or implant treatments, your customers can capture a CT image, with Planmeca X-ray device, plan the optimal implant position and design a virtual crown and a surgical guide in Romexis, and then proceed to printing the surgical guide and temporary or even a permanent crown, as we have validated the industry-leading restoration materials for our printer. If you have customers specializing in orthodontics, they can create setup models for thermoforming clear aligners with our Creo X. For restorative treatments, you can print crowns, bridges, veneers, and even full dentures. Indications for using Planmeca Creo X are almost limitless. The printer also features an integrated heater for resin temperature control, which helps to ensure reliable results in all conditions. This design also future-proofs the printer, as more viscous composite materials often require higher temperatures to achieve optimal printing outcomes. On top of it all, our Creo X printer is designed and manufactured here in Helsinki to the highest quality standards. So by choosing a Planmeca product, users can trust that their devices have been produced under fair working conditions and in safe working environments. Additionally, every device is carefully tested before it leaves our factory. To sum it up, as a dental professional, you want a 3D printer that is accurate, meets the requirements dentistry sets for a printer, and easily fits into your workflows with a wide range of compatible materials. Planmeca Creo X not only meets all these requirements, but exceeds expectations with industry-leading precision and reliability. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. And of course, Planmeca Creo X can be experienced at upcoming dental events. Thank you for watching.